Hello, and welcome to this fifth video in the Rxindi tutorial series. In this video, we'll show a powerful feature to build dynamic tables using row repeaters. In the second video in this series, we showed that it is very easy to repeat content based on data from the input file using the loop statement. The loop statement will repeat all child content following it, which is useful for many scenarios. But what if we don't want to repeat just regular content, but specific rows inside a table? It is not possible to do this with the loop statement, because tables in InDesign are a single entity, so there is no way to put the loop around a single row. Instead, the dedicated row repeat statement is available, specifically for this purpose. You put the row repeat statement in the first column of the row you want to repeat, based on data from the input file. The path argument works exactly the same as it does for the loop statement. It can point to either an element containing child elements, or to a number. The row will be repeated that number of times. If the number is 0, then the row will be removed on processing. Unlike loop, row repeat does not expect an end statement. The end is always and implicitly the end of the row in the table on which the row repeat was specified. Also, the else statement cannot be used in combination with row repeat. Much like loop though, it does change the context for child statements, in this case for anything in the row in which the row repeat was declared. There can only be one row repeat for a particular row, and it has to be the first statement in that row. A single table can have multiple rows with their own row repeat statement though. Let's see all of this in action. We're going to create a table that lists products and shows their name, article number, and price. So let's make a table with 2 rows and 3 columns. In the first row, we'll put the headers. The second row will be the template row for the data. We'll put the row repeat here. Its symbol is a dash. The path we'll use in this example is just products. Now all there is left to do is output the data for each column. Because the row repeat iterates over each product, we can just reference the individual product properties here. So, name, code, and price. And that's all there is to it. Let's try it out. And there we go. As we've shown here, creating dynamic tables with Rxindi is very straightforward with the row repeat statement. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.